This is stock number 1-80K, 10 of 08, Subaru WRX. Transmission smoked. It's got some varying stuff going on in it. But aside from that, this thing runs beautiful. No lights on. You can see that right there. I mean, I got a seatbelt and a tire pressure warning light, but that's about it. Yeah, give me a sec. You can hear that whine. Only in first gear. But it definitely whines. It does boost okay. I'll show you the trick of the motor in a sec. Okay, there's the motor. EJ25, double overhead cam, turbo. And it looks like it's all bone stock too, which I like seeing. I don't like seeing these things all modded up because, you know, it's probably been beat to crap. This one looks like it was actually very well taken care of. Spotless interior. Outside of the body's not all banged up. I like it.